What's up, everybody? In this video I am going to show you this service that I'm going to buy from Legiit.com. I have 12 videos that I want to boost with this, so it's going to cost me 60 bucks, and the way that I have decided to even buy this, I'm thinking to myself, okay, if I spend 60 bucks on this, will I make at least 60 bucks from this promotion? I think the answer is yes, but let's take a look at some of these videos right now and I will show you what I am talking about. So, if we look at videos, okay, so thumbnails are pretty shit, not gonna lie, they're pretty bad. I'll probably redo them, but whatever. So let's look at the first one. Okay. So basically these videos, the reason I'm spending the money on these videos is because I've used special keywords here that I think are going to be very good. Okay, so sales letter, copywriting tutorial, these are videos that I want to rank for. And these are also videos that are in my course right here. I made a course on copywriting, posted the videos on YouTube. These videos are public, and when people sign up, which they can do for free, they will get access to these 12 videos. Now, the problem with this is that if they sign up and they see that this video, for example, has like 15 views, you know, I look like a loser, right? And like, who cares like what you look like, how many views you have? But when you're selling marketing stuff, people need to think that you at least like know what you're doing. So anyway, another good thing about this is that when people see this, there's a link to my cold email course right here and a link to ClickFunnels as well to get their free trial. All right, so that's good. And then also copywriting course link, Python course link, kinds of other stuff, right? I'll probably delete that actually. Oh, whatever, it doesn't matter. And then all these other things, basically like a ton of shit that I have, right? So is this worth 60 bucks to promote 12 videos? I think so. And let's go ahead and do it right now. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to, let's see, the 9th. Let's check back in, I don't know, how about 2 weeks, right, on the 23rd. And we'll see how this did, this little promotion. Okay, now for those of you who are like thinking of making, you know, like buying traffic essentially for your videos, but like you're scared to do it or whatever, I think it's a good idea. I think for sure, especially if you're a new channel, I think for sure kind of to get things off the ground, just to like get a little bit better ranking for your stuff if you have the money. Shit, wait. Okay, 60 bucks, go to payment, pay with PayPal, bada boom, bada bing. Pay now. Now hopefully, like I said, this will turn into something, but I do have, what do I have here? So out of all of these videos, let's just look at a random one. I've got, you know, this where they can turn into a lead, this where they can sign up for ClickFunnels, which is the same software that I use to create, you know, the copywriting stuff. Another thing that can turn into a lead, this where they can buy something, all the shit that they can buy, right? So if I make, you know, over the next, whatever, lifetime of my YouTube channel, if I make 60 bucks from this promotion, from like whatever, the people who find links that these, you know, whatever this marketing thing is going to post to my stuff, then it's worth it, right? But short term, if I make 60 bucks from it in the next 2 weeks, then it's worth it as well, because we don't want to wait too long. So we click on Start Order, send me your YouTube video URL, and let's do this really quick. So here we go. Get shareable link. Shit. This one I probably won't promote because this is just like, whatever, just promote it anyway, who cares? Where's number 7? Here we go. Done. Alright, there you go. Boom. Oh, yeah. Alright, so here we go. Click here to view. Okay, so that is that. We'll check back in 2-ish weeks, see how we did. And yeah, that's it. If you guys want to order this service, where is it? I will put a link. This one I think is what I did, right? Was this it? I don't even remember. Was it this one? Yeah, I think it was this one, right? $5? Yeah. Okay, so I will put a link here. If you guys like this video, then order through this link, because if you do, I get 15% commission affiliate link, full disclosure. But yeah, definitely help a brother out. Cool? All right, peace.